So I'm gonna show you how to make my crab cakes with spicy remoulade and a citrus frise salad. Boiling pot of hot water. Salted boiling water. Gonna put them in there. Shut her down. Half of cup of mayo, okay? One of my favorite ingredients, I almost use it in every recipe. Dijon, right? Boom, boom. Worcestershire sauce. This just gives it a meaty quality, an umami. One whole egg, gentle, right in there. Seafood seasoning. A lot of people like breadcrumbs, I don't. I love to use butter crackers. Just throw it in there, pulse it. Get it going. Boom, right in there. Make sure you break up that egg yolk, okay? Just start incorporating it. Now let's make our remoulade here, starting with a cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna need more Dijon mustard, some capers, little rough chop, right into the mixture. I got my knife out, let's keep chopping, right? Parsley, little bundle here. And we are going to mince our parsley here, right in there. Put a little zest on here. Now we're gonna have this. Squeeze. All right, the hot sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Sweet, sweet paprika. Look at that. 1 clove of garlic right over the bowl. Just a kiss of it. A little salt, a little pepper. Look how good we did. We made a remoulade. Okay, here we go. This is important. We're gonna take this big guy out. We're gonna do a little shocking here. Make sure there's a little water in here. This is a way of quickly cooling him down, right? And let it chill out. Now we're gonna take this guy, he's nice and cool. You're gonna kind of grab them and twist, and they come right out. Now you can separate the claw by turning it, and then you're gonna pick that good crab meat right out of there. You see? Boom. And then you can kind of slide this out. Look at that. Add your crab meat to that. Our lump crab meat will go in here with the rest of our crab meat. All right, gently combine it so it gets incorporated. I'm gonna put this down, pat it down, scooping in, grabbing it. Just a little salt just to make sure. Now we are gonna cook this in a non-stick skillet. Just use a neutral oil on this one, gently. All right, not screaming. Let them roll. Nice little pour of the pine nuts. That's all you need, look. All right, boom. Once they start getting golden, take it off the heat. These natural oils will help that salt stick to it. Will only do good things. Take an orange. We're gonna cut off 2 ends of it. Next cut, taking off the entire peel with the pith. And you're just following it in the natural curvature of the orange. I'm gonna do a V cut. 1, 2, and let it fall into the bowl. And they fall right out, right? These beautiful, perfect little orange segments. Squeeze the orange right in here, because we're gonna base the vinaigrette out of that. Stone ground mustard, a little pour of that white wine vinegar. Simple, some salt, some pepper. Mix this, and now we're gonna slowly stream in that oil while we whisk. So give me just a little portion of this, cutting from the stem. So I'm just kind of like unfurling it, you know what I mean? Taking it out, just so we can loosen it up. It's not just like clumps. A little bit of that dressing. Make sure when you add your vinaigrette, you give it another whisk or a stir. All right, now my remoulade, I like to plate on the bottom rather than like a schmear. You kind of lay it on there. I think that's, will be pretty. This guy. Frise salad. You love it, right? Then we got, of course, those orange segments. Some crunchies right on there. And there you have it.